Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol YECO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes kind of cutting through the gray area and turn things a little bit more black and white. Because I'll be the first to admit this is a pretty shady chart, kind of sketchy. Because sure, the price made a great move, but then there's been this very big pullback right now. But it's not like the price totally crashed, but it is a pretty big pullback. So there is a lot of gray area here. But what I want to try to do is kind of at least how I'm going to look at the chart to try to figure out, is this chart really bullish or bearish going forward? And that is, well, how does the price react around 480 going forward? Why is 480 important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but one potential situation is the price comes back down here, breaks below it, and then just continues on down. At that point in time, what would you have? Well, you would literally have the price right back inside of that range where it was before the nice move started. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine power are not going to go back to where they were. They're going to show some sort of signs of progress. And, at that point, if the price were to do that, that would essentially put the chart at pump and dump status, meaning the price would have made a great move up, and then all of a sudden, within a matter of a couple of days, the price is right back to where it began. If that's not a pump and dump, I don't know what is. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that's one scenario. What happens if the price comes back down to the 480 mark, but in this situation, goes sideways and then starts to work its way back upwards? What would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, progress is what truly strong moves are going to do. So 480 is essentially acting as kind of a vocabulary definer, meaning it's helping us and telling us, is the price going back? Again, going back associated with bearishness, or is the price making progress? Making progress associated with bullishness. So keep an eye on 480. That's going to be a very revealing level in terms of whether or not this chart is actually bullish or bearish going further. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.